Right guys, I'm painting the doors today, like the panel doors, and if you're interested I'm going to show you the correct procedure on how to paint the door correctly guys. I'm going to fetch it down. Now this has had one undercoat, it's had one eggshell, so every coat I've had it's been rubbed down, cleaned with a fibre cloth, and now we're ready for its final coat guys. And this is how I do it, okay? You may not agree, but this is how I do it guys. So I roll the middle of the panels, got to be quick, it's a really hot day and it's trying quick. But we get there. Now, I'm going to paint the outside of these. Yeah. But it doesn't matter if it's standing up the door, I mean, it's just because I was able to lay it down. I thought, why not? Especially when you've got it standing up, you've got to take real special care and attention guys that you don't get any runs. And as a last little thing, I lay it off. Should have done this one first really, because now I'm leaning over, but it's no big deal. It's starting to go already, it's starting to dry, great. Right, so I'm feathering off all the edges that have gone onto all the other parts of the doors, right? Right, so what you do now guys, you do the mullions, which is these ones in the middle. Okay, brush them out. Don't brush this way because you'll leave like runs on your doors, so just like that, top and bottom, and then just feather it off the brush marks that you've got along there. It's important that you get rid of those brush marks guys. So that's gone. I'll take the brush marks out there. Now you do your cross rails, which is quite self-explanatory. This is the middle rail. Again, making sure you don't catch a brush on these edges. You can finish it off like that if you want. See, I'm leaving the brush stroke like that, that's why you don't want to leave it like that. So you finish it off like that with the grain. And there you have it, guys. I'm doing the top rail. And then finish off the brush strokes. And the last one is the bottom rail. Brush it off, guys. Finish off those brush marks. Right, and the last job to do now is the styles. Let's do this one over here. I've already done this side, guys, so there's no need for me to go around and do it. It's been done loads of times. Cut around your hinges. Right, and then feather it off. One continuous brush stroke, guys. Taking care that when you get to there, you take those brush marks out. And the last one is this one. Right, there you have it. Last job. Finish the brush marks off. And that is the correct way of painting a panel door, guys. Because this has got like wood grain, it's got grain on the mullions coming down. And if you was to put a brush mark and carrot, it'd stand out like a sore thumb. So you stop it there. And you've got your cross rails, grains going this way, top rails, grains going this way, and your styles are grains, so you copy the grain. And you can't go wrong, guys. Right? Happy days.